So, ituturo ko naman sa inyo ngayon ang addition of two decimals. Sa pag-add ng dalawang decimal numbers, kailangan tandaan na po natin na dapat ang decimal points ng dalawang number ay dapat naka-align. So, halimbawa, mayroon po tayong 23.33 plus 16.44. So, 23.33 plus 16.44. So, dito dapat naka-align talaga ang decimal points. Then, proceed to addition. 3 plus 4 is equals to 7. 3 plus 4 is equals to 7. 3 plus 6 is equals to 9. Then, 2 plus 1 is equals to 3. Then, ang decimal points, i-align din natin kung saan nilagay natin yung dalawang decimal points. So, 23 plus 33 plus 16.44 is equals to 39.77. Sa pangalawang example natin ng addition of two decimals, meron po tayong 65.567 plus 45.36. So, tandaan, i-align lang po natin ang dalawang decimals para hindi tayo mahalito. So, 65.567. Then, plus 45.36. Then, proceed to addition. So, bring down 7. Dahil wala namang number dito. So, consider na pong 0. So, 7 plus 0 is equals to 7. Then, 6 plus 6 is equals to 12. Bring down 2. Carry 1. So, 1 plus 5 is equals to 6. Then, 6 plus 3 is equals to 9. Next, 5 plus 5 is equals to 10. Bring down 0. Carry 1. 1 plus 6 is equals to 7. Then, 7 plus 4 is equals to 11. So, therefore, 65.567 plus 45.36 is equals to 110.927. So, dapat tandaan, pag nag-addition ng dalawang decimal numbers, i-align lang po ang decimal numbers ng dalawang. So, sa baba, dito din ilagay kung saan nakahanay. So guys, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thank you!